Guangzhou Jia Bosi Catering Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer integrating development, production, and sales. The factory is located in Zhongluotan Town, Baiyuan District, Guangzhou. The production scale is huge and the production variety is complete, such as vertical and desktop cooking equipment of various specifications, electric barbecue grills, shawarma machines, crepe maker, fish grill, waffles maker, snack equipment, milk tea equipment, fast food equipment, etc. Our products are used in star hotels, Chinese and Western restaurants, fast food chains, bars, supermarkets, etc. Our company's kitchenware has passed the ISO 9001 International Management System certification. Its products have passed the national inspection, obtained the product production license issued by the state, and has a number of national patent certificates. Some products have passed the CE certification and obtained certificates. Excellent quality and service have established a good reputation among our customers. The company has introduced advanced equipment at home and abroad: laser cutting, CNC bending machine, perfect quality testing equipment and instruments, gas testing equipment and instruments, professional engineers, production teams, and after-sales service teams. Quality first, credit first, customer first is our service tenet, and customer satisfaction is our mission and responsibility. Welcome new and old customers to visit and guide our factory at any time. We look forward to creating win-win cooperation with you and creating a better future.